Programming shouldn't be boring. Let's play a Codingame's puzzle today. Hi, let's play and solve a puzzle titled Rollercoaster by Codingame. I'm Untitled and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here, you want to learn front-end and JavaScript, start right now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. The story tells, we all like roller coasters, but there are people who like roller coasters. Today you are one of them, as you have to check the profit of an attraction in an amusement park. Let's hope there will be more ups than downs. This puzzle makes you grasp the basics of queues and cycles of use. You need to optimize your code to process a big data set. The goal of this puzzle is to simulate the ride of a queue of people on a roller coaster. The queue forms a cycle, so there is something to exploit there in order to speed up your simulation. Let's dive into the code. Read initial values. For each group of people, find the most proficient queue. And print results. That's pretty easy, isn't it? Next time, let's have a look at 10 network and Dijkstra algorithm in JavaScript. My code is available on GitHub, documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.